In this video, we're going to learn how to use the website conjuguemos.com. Open your browser and type conjuguemos.com in the navigation bar. That's conjuguemos.com. Click on Use Without an Account. Then make sure you have chosen Spanish. You will see the Spanish flag right here. If you don't see the Spanish flag, click and choose Spanish. Then click on To, Present Tense Regular Verbs Only. Then click on Graded Practice. Before you start, decide how long you want each round to be. To set the time, click on the timer box in the upper left-hand corner. I recommend 5 minutes, which is the default. To start, press Start the Graded Practice. Once you start, you will see a subject and a verb appear above the text box. Your job is to conjugate the verb according to the subject in the text box. If you get it right, you move on to the next one. If you get it wrong, the frog will tell you the correct answer. You then type in the correct answer and move on. Keep going until your time is up. Then look at your score to see how you did. If you need to add an accent and don't have the ability to type it on your keyboard, you can use the Add Accent button. The Add Accent button comes up when you're typing a vowel. An important function of conjuguemos is the ability to restrict the material you're studying. This is really helpful if the default exercise is too broad. For example, if you just want to practice AR verbs. This is also helpful if you are feeling overwhelmed and want to reduce the amount of information, or if you just need to practice a specific thing. To restrict the material that gets presented, click on Settings. Here, you can choose which verbs are presented. Click on the verbs you want to practice. You can also select specific pronouns. Let's imagine that you just want to work on bailar, to dance, and borrar, to erase, in the yo form. Click on Bailar and Borrar. Then choose the yo form. Now click on Save and Restart Practice. Here, click on Start the Graded Practice. Now you'll just get the yo form of these two verbs. Enjoy!